CapCut is about to blow your mind, literally, with its newest feature, AI Stylize. Imagine transforming your videos with captivating motion styles, mesmerizing expression styles, hilarious face swap style. But wait, there's more. We're diving deep into the wondrous world of other stunning styles that'll leave you in awe. So, buckle up, because we're about to embark on a journey through the extraordinary. Let's dive into the world of AI Stylize and discover the endless possibilities that await. Let the magic begin. Start by creating a new project. Now, it's time to upload some images and video footage to explore every single style of the mind-blowing AI Stylize feature. Drop your first image into the timeline. Click on the image, and here comes the star of the show, the AI Stylize feature. Click on it to activate the Stylize tool. Brace yourself because there's a plethora of styles waiting for you, and each one brings its own unique effects. Let's put these effects to the test on our images, starting with Autofill 1. This great effect is similar to AOBE generative fill feature. Then, click on Camera Shake effect to test it. Watch as your image comes to life with a dynamic, energetic vibe. Feel the shake? Now, let's switch it up and try 3D Camera Pro. Hold on tight as your image takes on a whole new dimension, adding depth and perspective. Before we delve deeper into testing the mesmerizing styles of the AI Stylize feature, hold on to your hats. If you've ever dreamt of crafting mind-blowing 3D effects like this, but without the need for complex software like Premiere Pro or After Effects, then prepare to be amazed. Our upcoming editing hacks and tutorials are poised to become your secret weapons, revolutionizing your video creation experience and unlocking endless creative possibilities. Stay tuned, fellow creators, for a journey into the realm of 3D editing made accessible and effortless. Now, let's get back and continue our journey in this video today. And here is the AI painting style. Click on it and get ready for a visual treat. 4 different effects await you: JP Anime, Dreamy Anime, Cat, and Muscle Man. Sounds intriguing, right? Let's put these artistic styles to the test on our image. Begin with JP Anime, where your image transforms into a captivating Japanese anime-inspired creation. Next up, the Dreamy Anime effect adds a whimsical touch, creating an ethereal atmosphere. Feeling curious? Click on Cat and witness your image take on a feline charm. Finally, let's get bold with Muscle Man. Watch as your image gains a powerful, muscular twist. Now, let's venture into the enchanting realm of the particle style. Click on it. Let's dive into each one and witness the magic unfold on our image. Begin with the cosmic effect. Watch as your image is surrounded by cosmic wonders, adding a celestial touch. Next, explore particles dissipate 1 and see how the elements gracefully disperse, creating a mesmerizing display. Now, switch to particles dissipate 2 and experience a different, yet equally captivating, dissolution effect. Now, let's delve into the realm of expression style. Click on it, and you'll discover a spectrum of emotions with 5 distinctive effects: sad, smile face, poker face, dimple laugh, and chuckle smile. Ready to explore the expressive side? Let's test each of these effects on our image. Start with the sad expression. Witness your image convey a poignant and reflective mood. Next up, click on smile face, and watch as joy and positivity radiate through your image, adding an uplifting vibe. Now, let's switch to poker face, embracing a cool and composed demeanor. Continue the exploration with dimple laugh. Experience the warmth and playfulness as your image dons a cheerful expression. Finally, dive into chuckle smile, where a subtle and infectious laughter comes to life. Now, let's venture into the dynamic world of motion style. Click on it, and you'll be greeted by 5 thrilling effects: Photo Slinky, Camera Bounce, Camera Shake, 3D Zoom, and 3D Zoom Pro. Ready for some motion magic? Let's test each of these effects on our image. Begin with Photo Slinky. Experience a playful and bouncy motion, adding a touch of whimsy to your image. Next, dive into Camera Bounce, where your image takes on a lively and rhythmic movement. Switch to 3D Zoom and witness your image seamlessly zoom in with a captivating 3-dimensional effect. Now, let's venture into the realm of split style. Click on it, and you'll encounter two intriguing effects, pop-up album and photo puzzle. Let's dive into testing each of them. Start with pop-up album. Watch as your image gracefully unfolds into a visually captivating album-like presentation. Each element pops up with a delightful surprise, creating an engaging and dynamic feel. Now, let's switch to photo puzzle. Witness your image transform into a puzzle, with pieces coming together to reveal the complete picture. Now, let's dive into the world of portrait style. Click on it, and you'll find a treasure trove of effects: anime, comic, classic, cartoon, manga, and more. Let's test each of these effects on our image. The variety doesn't end here. There's more to explore, each effect adding a unique flair to your content. Now, let's venture into the playful world of face swap style. Click on it, and you'll encounter four delightful effects: angel me, evil me, baby face, and big head. Let's test each of them. Now, let's step into the enchanting world of scene swap style. Click on it, and you'll be greeted with two mesmerizing effects: cyber city and painting. Eager to see how these effects transport your image to different realms? Let's test each of them. Begin with cyber city. Watch as your image gets immersed in a futuristic landscape, surrounded by neon lights and cyberpunk aesthetics. The cityscape transforms your image into a captivating scene straight out of a sci-fi adventure. Now, switch to painting and witness your image undergo a magical metamorphosis, turning into a living canvas. Brushstrokes dance across the frame, creating an artistic masterpiece. This effect adds a touch of elegance and creativity to your content. Now, let's dive into the vibrant world of video effects style, specifically designed to transform your videos. Click on it, and you'll unlock the captivating automatic velocity effect. This unique feature injects dynamic flair into your videos, creating an immersive and visually captivating experience. Before we try it out, let's play the original video first. Now, let's click on the automatic velocity effect and witness its stunning results. We've only scratched the surface of what CapCut's AI Stylize can do. The possibilities are endless, and the creative playground is vast. Thank you for joining us on this adventure. If you're ready to unleash the full potential of your videos, let's keep the creative exploration flowing.